Hey ho, how you doing? So for today's video we are going to unbox my gaming keyboard, which I bought on November 11, which was the sale on Lazada. Basically, if you don't know Lazada, it's our Amazon here in Philippines. Without further ado, let's unbox this item.
As you can see, I have my old keyboard in the desk. We're gonna do some magic. Bada bing, bada boom, voila. Let's go. So this is the box itself, and I'm gonna cut the wrapping on it first, because that is the way. So inside we can see that it's a white box, just plain white box with the Womier branding in it, and it's really clean. And we got the color grace 66 key and the red switch. Got mine a red switch, which you can get, and three different switches, which is red, blue, and which is brown. So back with the unboxing itself, you're gonna open it, and whoa, that looks clean. I mean, come on. Considering it's my first 60% layout keyboard, it's really good for its presentation and stuff. And on the manual we can find the product feature and the functions on how to control the lightings on the keyboard, because it doesn't have a software that supports the keyboard. So yeah, just do it on board. So we're gonna pull it out and see for ourselves. My god, this feels a bit heavy, so that's a bit good. It's good, really good. Has a bit of weight on it. And then for the case, it has this acrylic case which makes the RGB of the keyboard more diffused, and yes, it's really look beautiful. Under we got the USB type C port, which is very good these days because micro USB is just piece of crap. The other content is the USB cable for the keyboard to connect to, and that's just it. Just this keyboard is just straightforward, and you may now enjoy the keyboard. So plugging it in, and voila! Look at that! Look how beautiful is this! Look how beautiful is that! Just look at that! And now enjoy for the B-roll. I'll be back soon. Bye.